Hi, my name is Sagar Agre. Recently, I got placed in Insurance of a Private Limited as an analyst. I joined a Magic Institute of Excellence in January 2022, and I thought that this was one of my best decisions. After joining this course, I learned multiple things about the investment banking and hedge fund, like derivatives, option strategies, risks, master fee structure, and many more. This course gave me a full cover package to know investment world because apart from core subject knowledge, Sir taught us multiple things which helped me to grow in corporate world. Found that this course is very different from any other courses in the market because Sir who taught us came from the industry. They are the corporate expert. The content and knowledge shared by them, which is actually useful while working in the industry. The Sir also taught us about the email writing skills, digital communication skills, MS Excel skills, and many more. The trainers who taught us have a lot of experience in the industry. They are very friendly and give us precious knowledge about the financial world. They taught us about the cracking the interview tips, which helped me to crack the interviews. I got more from this course than I expected. Vishal sir and Prathamesh sir took a lot of effort to make us ready for the corporate jobs. I personally believe that this course make one ready for the corporate jobs. Thank you.